Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to pay Uber Eats with Apple Pay, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, guys, you want to confirm if you have actually added Apple Pay to your account. If not, it's really easy. Just tap on account right at the bottom and then select on wallet. Okay, select the wallet option, and under the payment methods, you'll see the Apple Pay logo. Okay, if you don't see the Apple Pay logo, this is very important. Make sure you have enabled Apple Pay Cash or added a valid credit or debit card to your Apple Pay account. This is very important, otherwise you're not going to see that logo and you're not going to be able to pay with Apple Pay. So once you have that set up, guys, you just want to place your items in the basket like normal and just tap on go to checkout, and under the order total, you're going to tap the payment method selected by default. All right, tap on that, and then you want to actually choose the payment method you wish to use for the next order. Close the window and select next, and then just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the order. So basically, you just want to select Apple Pay as the payment method and follow along the process like you normally would order a meal. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if the video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you have any issues, and we'll help you down in the comments below. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the